We're going to try and train the cat to use the cat flap. The cat's outside, I'm inside. Got some treats. Let's see if we can get her through the cat flap. Go on, Em. Oi. What's this? Do you want a treat? Oh. Go on then. Come on, you can come through. Oh! This is the moment attacking the cat flap. Oh! Whoa! Yo! You're supposed to come through it, not attack me. She'll get there. Come on then. What's this? Oh! Whoa! Yo! It's currently attacking the cat flap. Come here. Oh, yo! Whoa! Scratch me. Right, I need to up the ante. More treats. Come through the cat flap. Come on. Hey. Yo. Come on. What's this? What's this? Hey. Yo. Come on. Hey. Hey. Come here. Stick my arm through the cat flap. She ain't getting it. It's an old cat flap. Previous owner had a cat, so I'm trying to teach the cat to use it now. Here it is. Just found a leaf or something. Come on. Oh, now you're just being lazy. More treats. Oh yeah. Oh, whoa! Come through the cat flap. Oi! Come on through the cat flap. She keeps trying to attack me. That's it. Just get used to the cat flap. That's it. I think she's getting there. Oh! Fucking. Yes! Well done. Well done. Well done.